In this video I continued the trip up the coast of Australia and make it to the Gold Coast. I also work out and explore the beaches, then I had to get onto private property to see an amazing waterfall. I also visit the city of Brisbane.
It's morning. I had a good night's sleep actually, but now I'm finally going to head to the Gold Coast. It's about time that I finally make it there. I parked here yesterday and I was gonna go there yesterday, but I didn't. But now it's time to go. My van started. I had some problems with it yesterday, but I replaced the spark plugs and now it's running well. Just parked here by the beach and I'm gonna make some coffee and then go swimming, I think.
I had now finally made it to the Gold Coast. The Gold Coast is Australia's 6th largest city with a population of 560,000, and the city is located just 66 kilometers south from the big city Brisbane. You have some incredible beaches in the Gold Coast, and the beach is always full of people.
What time is it? It's 7:45 in the morning. Now we're gonna make some coffee.
Now I started making coffee on my volcano coffee maker from litside.com. You put the coffee in the middle and then it's gonna come up from the top like a volcano. My coffee was ready and I would get to enjoy my coffee early in the morning with a great view.
Coffee tastes great. Here we have a flex band. You can also buy it from litside.com or vacationwilliam.com.
I was doing a little simple and quick morning workout.
People said that it wasn't possible to travel all the time. I've been doing it for 5 months now.
Now it was time to go for a morning swim.
Just came back from swimming and it really feels amazing in the water. The best time to go here is late in the year, between November and April. The swim was amazing. This life is pretty good actually. I am now on my way into the central business district. Now I am in the middle of the Gold Coast. The Gold Coast is known for its long beaches and tall buildings. The Gold Coast is located in Queensland, the eastern part of Australia. I'm traveling Australia in my van. Now it's time to head into the city and check out what we have there.
The city was not very exciting, so I decided to go somewhere else instead.
Now I am on my way to a swimming hole somewhere.
1 hour later.
I'm here at this waterfall and it's closed, which is not good.
Trespassing is prohibited.
Now I'm on the other side of the fence. I don't know what kind of rules they have here in Australia for trespassing. I hope it's not like it is in Texas where they can shoot you if you go on private property. There are 3 different ways to go here. Hopefully I don't get lost. And hopefully I find my way back.
Now I found this amazing little swimming hole just west from the Gold Coast, but I can't remember the name. This place was really cool, and I also met some German people there that also like to jump from the cliffs. It was really refreshing to swim in the pools, but I went back to my van.
I just came back from swimming and I recently learned that the reason why they closed this place is because somebody jumped, got his leg stuck underwater in some rock or something, and then he died. Now I'm gonna go to Brisbane and see what there is to do there. Nice! I'm filling up gas again. It's not good, it costs too much money. But I can sleep in here so I don't waste any money to pay rent. I'm on my way into Brisbane and we already have 4 lanes on the highway.
I was now coming into Brisbane, which is the capital of the state of Queensland and also the 3rd largest city in Australia.
I am downtown Brisbane. This is the capital of Queensland.
which is the state in the northeast side of Australia.
Right behind me we have the Story Bridge. It's 74 meters high and you can do a guided tour and climb all the way up on it. On the other side of the bridge we have the Central Business District, where we have all the high skyscrapers.
Brisbane is one of the oldest cities in all of Australia, and there is a river that goes all the way through the city. There are 2.5 million people living in Brisbane. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers soon, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave this video a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.